My name is Matt Numrich. Thank you so much for joining us on this video. We're going to go ahead and we're going to cover the defense up against a carotid choke, but we're going to do so in a little bit of a specific way. The way I always like to take a look at this carotid choke defense, or another name for it is the rear naked choke, is we're doing so from a proactive standpoint. And all I mean by that is that the proactive standpoint means that they have not locked it in fully yet. We're going to go ahead and we're going to cover the reactive kind of defense from a rear naked choke or that carotid choke in another video. But in this one today, what we're going to do is we're going to cover the defense from a proactive standpoint. So if I have Casey right around here, he's going to go ahead and put this one in, but I'm going to do a double hand pluck to go ahead and stop this one right here. You know, this is not locked in all the way. If it was locked in all the way, just like this, it would be another kind of a defense. But for this one right here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a double hand pluck right here, step off to the side. I'm reaching out like I'm shaking someone's hand and bringing back that rear elbow, and then I'm stepping on out right under so I can follow up in close quarters. So let's check this out one more time here. He's behind me, double hand pluck. And when I do the double hand pluck, I want both hands on the arm as I rip down, and then I also drop my weight. As I do that, I step off to the side, I reach out, deliver that low rear elbow, step right through, and now this is my follow-up right here in close quarters. We're in close quarters. We have numerous options. We have several videos on that as well. We're just gonna follow up with just some basic knee strikes. Let's go over this again. So as Casey's behind me, double hand pluck. This is not set on in, it's proactive. We step off to the side, reach out, elbow, step through, close quarters, and that is how we follow up with this one. So as we said before, there are two versions, proactive and reactive. This is the proactive one where the person has not locked in their arms yet. Double hand pluck. As we do that, we base out, make sure we drop our weight, lower our center of gravity. At the exact same time, we're stepping on out, getting a little bit of space, throwing that elbow, step right through, end up in close quarters, and follow up however you want to. Have fun with this one.